Hello, I'm Andrew, welcome to the cave. So this is my old Winfield lathe. I've had it for a number of years. It's been sat in the corner of the workshop, just used every now and again. Got myself a Harrison M300, so decided to pull all my older lathes together to sell, and unfortunately got a bit sucked in with this one, and I want to see if I can get it up and running to a decent level. So I've recently put the lead screw back on, figured out the rear gearing, the tumbler. Look at this. This actually comes off a different lathe, so as you can see, it's not quite right. It does work to a degree, but that's going to need sorting out. The spindle, if you can see, there's a little gap there, and that should be all the way back, so that needs rectifying. The threads on the nose could do with coming down a few more turns, just so I can fit on my 3-jaw chuck, which at the moment won't wind all the way back on here because it runs out of thread. Other issues that I need to sort out. I need a nice switch, so I've got one here, which that'll do the job. Probably mount it there, something like that. That'll do. The lead screw could do with coming off again, giving it a clean. It's a little bit rusty. And the lathe as a whole, it runs incredibly quickly, so I think this is due to the way it's geared here. So if you look, we've got this first belt to the counter shaft, and the counter shaft to here. It almost feels like it's near on a 1-to-1 ratio. I'm not far off. So what I'm planning on doing is taking this hefty flywheel and then putting it on there, so reduce the speed a bit and increase the torque. Not that there's any issues with torque at the moment, but can't have too much torque on a lathe. What else needs rectifying? The back gear assembly. I need to make a little pin for this, so I don't know if you can see, but to lock this in place at the moment, get the crap off of it. That kind of goes in there, then drops in, just to stop it popping out. So it could do with making a nicer pin to fit in there. Apart from that, it works. It's a good lathe. I'll put a quick video up the other day showing me making this quick spacer. Nice simple operations. You drill a hole, you turn it down, you part it off. Does that. You can do that all day long. But it'd be nice to get the lead screw set up, and cut some threads, and make it a bit more usable. Some of the tooling that I've got with it, got a nice faceplate, fixed steady, nice little drill holder, keyless, and I've got a set of change wheels, so I'll get them together. But yeah, there we go. I think the first job is going to be take this nut off, see how big that shaft is, and then figure out the size of the boss that I need to turn up to adapt that, and then we'll go from there. Stand by.